Hello everybody! Welcome to another recycled craft with me, Miss Echo. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool little boat that actually floats on water. So what we're going to need to make this craft today is we're going to need a styrofoam egg carton. We're going to need some paper. I happen to use some brown paper bag paper from the leftovers from our little notebook craft. You'll need a stick or a pipe cleaner or something else that can poke through the egg carton, and you will need a pair of scissors. So to get started, as always, if you are not comfortable cutting anything out on your own, please have adult supervision or an adult help you to cut things. So today we're going to take our egg carton, and it has to be styrofoam because otherwise the like the recycled paper ones end up kind of sinking a little bit. So these are at least waterproof. So you're going to cut off the lid of the container. I already used part of this, which is why it's already cut up. And you're also going to cut off this little fastening bit. You can always use these as well for a different type of boat if you want. I'm just going to show you how to use this part for a boat. So to make a little 4-person boat, we're going to cut out halfway in between this. So we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just going to cut right down the middle of this. And up and over all the hills. Alright, so now, ta-da, we have 2 little boats. I'll show you how to make this on one of the ends. So what we're going to do next is we're going to fold our pipe cleaner in half. This way it's a little bit sturdier. You can also twist it if you want. Alright. And then we're going to just use it to poke directly through this middle bump. And it should be pretty easy to do, just like that. So now down here, we're going to fold these so that way they don't come up through the hole. And now we have our mast. That is the part of the boat that holds the sails on. So now, to make our sail, we're going to cut a small square of paper. But you say, Miss Echo, I don't have a small square of paper. Well, I'm going to show you how to make a small square. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out, I guess this looks a little bit more like a rectangle. The way that you can make a square, to judge that it is actually a square, is you just fold a triangle like so, and then we cut off one side, and now you have a square. But this is still too big, so how are we going to make this into a reasonable sized sail? Well, we can fold it in half, long ways, hot dog style, and then we can fold it in half again, hamburger style. And then we just cut on those lines. So, ta-da! Now we have one small square. So to create a sail, our sail needs to bend this way. So we're going to fold in a triangle shape again. And then at this point, you want to make a hole in this side for the pipe cleaner. So you can use scissors, you could use a hole punch, you could use a thumbtack and then make a hole. I just poked my scissors through, being very careful to make sure I didn't cut myself on this side. And now you have 2 holes on equal sides of the paper. And we're just gonna put them onto the pipe cleaner like this. And we have a sail. You could put multiple sails on here if you want. You could make a larger sail than I did. You could make a smaller one. You can make your mast smaller, either way. But now you're officially ready to put the boat in the water. So this is a great like bath time activity, or maybe if you have a pool out back, or even a bucket. How much fun is that? You could put little toys in here, maybe some Lego men to man the boats, and it should provide hours of fun. Maybe you can race them if you get enough wind in these sails. Either way, I hope you had fun crafting, and we'll see you next week on another craft with recycled materials. Have a great day.